Stop scrolling. This ain't your basic pudding tutorial. This is a whole mood. We're about to make Jamaican sweet potato pudding so rich, so smooth, so damn sexy, it'll have you questioning every dessert you've ever loved. If you came here for ordinary, turn back now. Because we're making a statement, a flex, a dessert with main character energy. Let's get to it. Magic doesn't stir itself. Step 1, the sweet potato spa. We're starting with the queen herself. Big, bold, and full of potential. Peel her like you're peeling off dead weight from your life, gently but with intention. Now chop her, like you chop that toxic ex out your life. Quick, clean, no hesitation. Then toss her in the blender. Add coconut milk for that rich, creamy Caribbean energy that hugs your soul and forgets your problems. Now blend her down till she's smoother than your favorite apology text. You know, the one that always came way too late. Peel it soft, chop it savage, blend it rich, hashtag sweet potato slay. Step 2, dry mix drama. 1 cup corn flour. 1 cup all-purpose flour. 1 tablespoon cinnamon. 1 tablespoon nutmeg. Half teaspoon salt. 1 tablespoon allspice. 1 teaspoon baking soda. Now it's time for the dry mix, where flavor meets finesse. Strain it all, because lumps, never. And crusty energy? Couldn't be us. No lumps, no clowns, only flavor. Step 3, banana drama plus combine. Mash 1 ripe banana, like you're breaking hearts without calling them back. Then add the sweet potato blend, like you're pouring in the drama. Smooth, thick, and ready to stir. No lumps allowed. And yes, I'm still not talking about your ex. Mash it like a red flag on red. Mix it like you're stirring up scandal at Sunday brunch. Silky batter, no baggage. Step 4, creamy glow up. Now bring on the cream. Carnation milk, 2 cans. Why, you ask? For richness, thickness, and making sure this dessert's thicker than your last situationship. Mix well, like you're stirring the pot and the group chat. Then add brown sugar, like your ex added charm to hide the chaos. Sweet on top, toxic underneath. Mix it like you're fixing a messy story before the screenshots drop. No lies, no lumps, just sugar, shade, and strategy. Step 5, butter, spice, and everything luxe. Now it's time to add flavor with main character energy. Start with melted butter, because softness is power. And this pudding, she's unbothered. Grated ginger, For that spicy kick, like your clapbacks, but edible. Lime zest? Just enough citrus to keep things sharp. Then double up the vanilla. 1 dark. 1 white. Wanna know why? Because we're not here to be subtle. She's seasoned, soft, and a little spicy, like your fave problematic fave. Step 6, Haitian rum barbecue moment. Now for the twist that makes her unforgettable. Haitian 5-star rum barbecue. Award-winning, iconic, aged like fine decisions. She's smooth, she's famous, and she doesn't do basic. 2 tablespoons if you're cute. More if you're healing. Because this isn't just dessert, it's an experience. And she gets flown out first class with a bottle in hand. Barbecue, the rum legend sip, aged to perfection, just like your standards. Now mix her one last time. Gently, but with purpose. Like you're cleaning up drama you definitely started. She's glossy, thick, and ready to take the spotlight. No lies, no lumps, just sugar, shade, and strategy. Last mix, no mess, just magic. Zoom in on that richness. I know you wish you could drink it through the screen. And honestly, same. She's thick, glossy, and smoother than your best delusion. So creamy you'll want to sip it. But baby, this ain't a smoothie. Step 7. Grease your pan. Treat her like she deserves silk sheets. Now pour that batter in slow. Look at her glide, like silk sheets on brown skin after a fresh oil up. She's not pouring, she's performing. Wrap her up in foil like she's resting, not hiding. Bake at 350 for 1 hour. She's in her healing era. Rested, wrapped, rising in silence. Step 8, the custard crown. While she's baking, let's build her crown. This custard? Smooth, sweet, slightly toxic, but she actually follows through. Coconut milk, half cup sugar, half teaspoon vanilla plus white vanilla, nutmeg, cinnamon. Whisk it like it's a secret potion, because it kinda is.
Every queen needs her crown.
Add 1 tablespoon of rum. More if you feel like turning up the heat, because we don't do shy here. Mix like you're a bartender serving the perfect cocktail. Smooth, confident, and with a splash of attitude. Now this? You can drink it if you're tempted, unlike that creamy sweet potato batter baking to perfection. Step 9, final bake and glow up. She's back from the oven. Take off that foil and crown her like the goddess she is. Shower her with custard. Let her feel adored. Now back in for 20 minutes, uncovered. Let her bronze. Let her shine. Let her become that girl. She's out. And baby, that golden brown skin, that shine, that thickness, she didn't just bake, she ascended. Cut a slice. Watch her hold together. Moist, tender, melting on sight. Serve with whipped cream and raspberry, or just a spoon and a locked door. She's the pudding, the whole pudding. And nothing but the pudding. You didn't just bake. You made a masterpiece with edges, attitude, and aftertaste. So take a bite, roll your eyes back, and remember, she's not for everyone. She's for the chosen few. She's for you. Soft life, sweet things, and dessert that eats back. #Island Luxury. Like it, save it, and send it to someone who's got good taste and even higher standards. Except for your toxic ex, this pudding has more layers, more flavor, and way more respect than they ever did. #Caribbean Luxury, #high standards only.